Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft here at our newest listing in Plymouth Township. This one is stunning. This home was built in 1995, completely renovated in 2023. 4 bedrooms, first floor office, first floor laundry, finished basement, professionally landscaped, meticulously maintained. Can't wait to show you that one. Come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Plymouth Township Colonial. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.